Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming a stable internet connection. Sign-in requires it. Once connected, open Mojo Launcher and go straight to menu right arrow settings, right arrow accounts. No detours. Tap Add Account and select Microsoft. This starts the only supported path inside the app. You need either an existing Microsoft email or choose Create New when prompted. Make sure you have a recovery email or phone ready. Those speed verification and future recovery, so have it in hand before you proceed. You now complete the middle steps of account creation or sign-in. If you use an existing email, type it and the password, then allow Mojo Launcher permissions. If creating new, pick a unique username, set a strong password, and follow the verification prompts. Make sure to add a recovery phone number or alternate email. This prevents lockouts. Once you accept Microsoft's terms and app permissions, the account setup proceeds. Be patient while the server verifies your details. You finish by tapping Sign In and letting Mojo Launcher sync your settings. This enables themes, app shortcuts, and cloud backup. Once done, verify that sync is active in accounts right arrow Microsoft and grant any remaining permissions the launcher requests. This ensures full functionality. If you run into problems, try this key troubleshooting tip. Check your network, clear the app cache or reset your Microsoft password, then retry sign-in. If that fails, reinstall Mojo Launcher and repeat the
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.